Hey guys, it's Vince from What the Tech, and today I'll be showing you the basics of cryptocurrency and what is cryptocurrency. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, our first question is, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money. This means there's no physical coin or bill. It's all online. Cryptocurrencies use decentralized control, which means they are controlled by one person or government. The next question is, how many different types of cryptocurrency are there? Well, there's over 3,000 different types of cryptocurrency, but the three most popular ones, which you've probably heard of, are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Why does the price of cryptocurrencies go up? This is because the total number of cryptocurrencies are limited, and an increase in demand leads to a direct increase in price. But why does the price go down? The price can go down if too many people are trying to sell the same type of cryptocurrency. It'll make people not want to buy it, or maybe even just pay less. Well, who invented cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency was invented by a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto, who still remains unknown. What's the point of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency was made just like real cash, but this was made to trade digital money. Cryptocurrency is decentralized currency, which means it is hard to counterfeit. What are some good places to invest in cryptocurrency? Well, the two greatest places to invest in cryptocurrency are Coinbase and Gemini, and I will leave the links in the description. Well, the real question is, should I invest in cryptocurrency? Well, it depends. Let's think about this situation where it's a win. Well, Bitcoin in 2016 was worth around $950, and let's say you saved 5 of those. You would have around $44,700, but then if you waited around 5 years in 2021, it'd be worth around $45,000, which is a 470% profit. And now you are rich. You have around like $220,000, and you just made like a $210,000 profit. Now let's look at a situation where it doesn't go as planned. You buy 5 bitcoins in 2018, which is around $40,000 each. So you have a total of $70,000 in total. So you want to sell it after it doubles or maybe even triples, but you wait, and you wait. And then you look at the charts, but it's going down dramatically. Minus $2,000, minus $4,000, minus $1,000. You see it won't stop dropping, so you decide to sell it before it just drops more. So you sell it each for around $4,000 each, which is $10,000 less you bought from the beginning. So you lose around $50,000 in total, which now you're stuck with $20,000. You just lost $50,000, so it might not go as well as planned. So in the end, it depends if you want to invest in cryptocurrency or if you don't. It's all up to you. So that's about it. What is cryptocurrency, and should I invest in cryptocurrency? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned a lot. Stay safe and healthy with the text.